Ingredients: cooking spray for greasing, 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound ground sausage, 125 5-ounce jar tomato basil sauce, 1 cup pepperoni slices, 2 cups fresh spinach, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 16-ounce can flaky biscuits. Preparation: 1. Heat oven to 375 F. Grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with cooking spray. 2. In a 12-inch skillet, cook beef and sausage over medium-high heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until meat is brown. Once brown, drain the grease from the meat and place the drained meat in the 9 by 13-inch baking dish. 3. Top the sausage and beef with all of the pasta sauce. Sprinkle pepperoni slices over sauce. Add spinach and shredded cheese. 4. Separate the flaky biscuit layers, pinching with fingers to flatten. Place the biscuit layers over the pizza mixture to cover entirely. 5. Bake 20 to 25 minutes or until biscuit dough is golden brown. Remove from the oven and let cool for about 10 minutes before serving.